Steve Piazza here. I'd like to take a moment to go over the structure of Google Drive folders. To get started, we're going to click on the Drive icon at the Employee Start page, log in, now that we're in Drive, let me just point out a few things. You see here on the left, whatever is in red is showing the contents here in the center pane. So you can see that My Drive, it consists of all these different folders. Now, if I were to expand My Drive, you'll notice that all those folders are the same folders that are here in the center. These are the contents of My Drive. Now notice that if I come over here and expand one of these folders, like this first one here, I expand it. If I click on this, you see I have the contents here. It's the same thing that is over here. And that's how it's going to work the whole way. I could keep drilling down. I can go to the next one here. I can click on this folder here. And now those are all the contents of that folder. If I expand it, we can see they're exactly the same. Now what I'd also like to point out that you can see that this trail here is going to correspond to what's open over here. So you can see My Drive is open. You can see this folder here is open because it's pointing down. And then you can see that this folder is the one that's showing. And that's how it always works. If I were to close this here, click on this one, we'd be back to this list of folders. The rule of thumb is to look over, and whatever's in red is what you should be seeing over here. Notice to get some options, it's just like anything else. If we right click, we get a list of things that we are able to do. Well, the same things are going to apply in each of these other areas. If I right click here, I get these options. And I want you to notice this too, that if you click up here, you're going to get the same options. The last thing I'm going to show you is how to search. If you are looking for a particular folder, you just go ahead and type in the folder here, click on search, and you'll get anything that has that word in its title. Notice that it's returning documents and folders. Now I can refine my search by clicking on the arrow here and just say that I want to look for something that has to do with Club Tech. I'm going to take out the word schools, and I'm going to also refine the search even more by looking for somebody who owns the document. So in this case, I'm going to put Clint Winter, and now it's going to look for an item named Club Tech that Clint is the owner of. I click search, and you can see it's showing all these by Clint Winter with Club Tech in the title. So that's just some very basic thoughts on working with folders in Google Drive. I hope this helps.